Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Ukraine and UK sign licensing deal for large-scale production of Octopus Interceptor drones. Delegations from the Ministry of Defense of Ukraine and the UK Ministry of Defense have signed a licensing agreement for the Ukrainian Octopus Interceptor drone. The move marks a new phase in defense cooperation between the two countries. Minister of Defense of Ukraine Denis Shmyhal said, "Together with our allies, we are enhancing Ukraine's air defense capabilities. This is a historic precedent and a significant next step that will make it possible to produce Ukrainian interceptor drones in the United Kingdom, drones that have demonstrated their effectiveness against Shahid drones." He noted that the plan is to begin mass production of the interceptors, with output expected to reach several thousand units per month. The equipment manufactured in the United Kingdom will be supplied to Ukraine to boost its air defense. Denis Shmyhal expressed gratitude to the UK for its cooperation, trust, and contribution to strengthening Ukraine's defensive capabilities. He stressed that the partnership supports Ukraine's efforts to counter ongoing aerial threats. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.